When you're managing identity at scale in Microsoft Entra ID, groups are one of your most powerful tools. But for them to work effectively, especially in terms of automation, governance, and access control, you need to configure their properties correctly. Let's walk through the key areas of the group properties and explain when and why they matter. When you create a group, always begin with a clear and descriptive group name. This is how you'll identify the group across admin centers, scripts, and audit logs. The description field is optional, but highly recommended. Use it to note the purpose of the group, the system it's tied to, or even the data sensitivity level. Anything that helps future administrators understand why this group exists. In the group type field, you'll see it marked as security. This means the group is used to control access to resources, like apps, file shares, or Azure RBAC roles. If the group was created as a Microsoft 365 group instead, it would be used for collaboration and would come with email, Teams, and SharePoint. Important note, once the group is created, you cannot change the group type. So, if you picked the wrong one initially, you'll need to delete and recreate the group with the correct type. Membership type is one of the most important settings. You'll see three options. Assigned means you manually control who's in the group. Dynamic user means group membership is determined based on user attributes, like department or job title. And dynamic device means membership is based on device attributes, like OS type or enrollment state. When you first create the group, you can choose any of these membership types. But once the group is created as assigned, as shown on the screen, you cannot convert it into a dynamic group. The object ID is a unique identifier for the group in the directory. You'll use this in PowerShell scripts, Graph API calls, or integration scenarios where referencing the group by name could lead to conflicts. Think of this as the group's digital fingerprint. Microsoft Entra roles can be assigned to the group toggle controls whether this group can be used for role assignable access, meaning the group itself can be assigned an Entra ID built-in role, like Global Reader, Security Administrator, or Privileged Authentication Administrator. If you turn this setting on, it turns your group into a role assignable group, which has some specific characteristics. It must be a security group, not a Microsoft 365 group. It must have assigned membership, not dynamic. And you can then use this group to delegate administrative roles across your tenant. Why is this useful? Imagine you want to give 5 help desk users the help desk administrator role. Instead of assigning them individually, you assign the role to this group, and then manage membership centrally. It's clean, scalable, and fully auditable. So, what's your key takeaway? Use naming conventions in group names, like SG Admins Azure, to keep things consistent. Set group descriptions clearly so future admins don't have to guess their purpose. Choose membership type wisely. This decision is permanent. And only enable role assignment if you plan to delegate Entra roles through that group.